Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on euro currency. And today's report shows that the fundamental background is significantly more interesting rather than technical one. As a technical picture, as you can see, mostly stands the same as we discussed this for this week. And every day we said that actually trying to catch any pullback if it will happen on euro currency. But from that standpoint, we were not very lucky as the euro currency is creeping higher, showing no pullbacks. That's good for our long-term stop, but those of you who haven't had the position barely was able to join this party on the euro currency, and we hope that next week still some pullback will happen. So in today's weekly report, we consider some fundamental background and in general, short-term perspective on the euro currency and on other risky assets looks indeed positive, except maybe the risks that we're mentioning every time. We think that the political risks stand still higher in the United States. And currently, Donald Trump actually is like the hunted beast because actually, till the colleagues voting, it stands just 1 week, since they will vote on the 14th of December. This will be Monday. And in fact, only the week he has to do something. So it could try either to involve some Supreme Court decision. So he has to do something that will let either to cancel elections, to postpone, or to make the re-election, so new election set up. And Donald Trump, for this purpose, has not too much measures and tools that he could apply, because all the legal claims that he said will stuck in the courts and hardly will be resolved within 1 week. This is a long-term journey, I suppose. It means that the only thing that he could to do is either to make or to force the Supreme Court to make a decision if his provement will be enough to do this, or it could use its political constitutional right to call for emergency regime if and interpret the recent turmoil around the elections as attempt for getting power by force using the information technologies outside of the country. So it's kind of the intruding in the election process outside of the US. So whatever will happen, I don't know. But the only thing that could be is just it should happen within the week, I suppose. Because after this, if voters already will make the decision, make the vote, and this will be the results, I think that its efficiency of these efforts by the non-Trump will start to tend to zero. Actually, he will do something after the colleague votings. That makes me keep really tight view on coming week. It's good that we will have the European Central Bank meeting and other stuff, but I think that these political risks will come on the first stage, because it's really time is up for Donald Trump and has to do something. It's a dead moment, actually, stand right now. So, on the European Central Bank, if we will keep this aside, these risks, and suggest that no political risk exists, we think that investors will try to buy any deal that will be formed in the euro currency, because they still will try to buy the rumor around the European Central Bank. So, as you know, they buy the rumor, sell, and in fact, even since this event still stands ahead and lots of stimulus are expecting from the European Central Bank, we suggest that minor pullback here, if it will happen at all, will be buyout by the investors with the nearest targets around 22.60. This is our suggestion for European Central Bank statement. So the price action around the XOP depends on statement. If it will be outstanding statement with a really positive, lots of stimulus, market even could try to pass through it and continue upward direction, because we have 2260, next will be a target around 25. So that's our target sequence on the euro currency. At the same time, guys, as you can see, currently market has formed tweezers right here, right at the daily overbought, and 1.7 extension of this recent swing. It's some background for a possible pullback. Maybe it will not be very significant, but some minor pullback here could happen. Actually, we talked about it last week as well. And take a look. We consider the same level. So applying the harmonic swing suggests for testing at 120 30 area. It's confidence support. This will be perfect if we'll get the pullback to this area within a couple of sessions until European Central Bank statement will take place. More probable, this will be half of the harmonic swing only to the 121, 120, 80 area, somewhere at this level. Because half of the harmonic swing repeats very often in recent time. Here, the half of the harmonic swing was as well. As I said, investors aimed on the European Central Bank statement. They will try to buy any dip, and that's why it could be a lot of buying activity around these levels, and maybe euro will show just minor level. So as you can see from the technical point, we still keep watching on the same stuff. As retracement already has started, we're watching for the levels, trying to take position right here. Target, as I said, stand here, 2260 approximately, 2250. But how market will respond to this target will depend on the European Central Bank statement. It's very positive. Market could pass through it and show further upward action. Although you can see daily overbought stands very close, more probable this market will hit the target and meets the overbought. Some reaction, position closing on the fact of the European Central Bank statement could happen. So that's our suggestion on euro currency.